How to turn on ambient mode on YouTube app. So the first thing you want to do is launch your YouTube app and make sure that your YouTube is the dark mode is enabled on YouTube. So if you don't know how to do that, we already have a video on our channel on how you can turn on the dark mode. You can check it out. So the first thing that you can do is if you play any of these video, as you can see, nothing happens. The video will play normally and there are no changes besides the video. But if you turn on the ambient mode, the feature that YouTube has just rolled out on previous update, what you can do is if you tap on this gear icon at the top right corner, you can see additional settings. Just tap on it and you have an option to toggle the ambient mode on. So just tap on it to turn it on. And I don't know if you can notice, but right here where the title of the video is, you can see a slight hint of blue and the ambient colors. So if I just play another one, you can see a slight purple hue kind of thing on the title right here. It would be more visible on more vibrant colors like this. So as you can see, all of these effects on the screen is also shown on the title right here. This is a very subtle color change, and it will turn on, and once you turn on the ambient mode, it will look something like this. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.